inspecting hives. It's early spring, April 1st, April Fool's Day. We're going to go ahead and check these hives for any queen cells that might be being constructed, because it would indicate possible swarming soon in the future. So a swarm is when usually about half your bees take off with half, another queen, and sometimes if you're lucky the other half will stay, and the whole hive won't take off. So yeah, what happens when there's an existing queen and another queen hatches from her egg, they will basically hunt each other down and try to kill the other queen, and whoever's the one left alive is the queen of the hive. Or sometimes the old queen will take off with half the hive before that happens. So yeah, so we're gonna need some more smoke. Add some more fuel to that. Finish checking these, and I still got a few boxes to check here. Go grab our fuel supply. Keeping my lime tree covered because it's been getting so cold this year, it's crazy. Messy wheelbarrow. This is my smoking material. No, I don't smoke it. The bees do. But it does still get you high. Alright. Yeah, so cannabis smoke seems to work well when smoking out the bee population. I think they enjoy it. And if not, the beekeeper does. There we go. There's a bud. There it is. Okay. Choo choo. Ready, Freddy. Alright, smoke them out. I don't really care right now. They should be retreating down further in the box. They're kind of clearing off that frame. I'll put this right up here where it blows into my face. Pick up this frame. Wow, so this was one that they constructed a whole bunch of foundation on themselves because it's just a small frame in a deeper box. So, as you can see, small frame, deep box, it is rest. Alright. What we don't want to do is drop the queen if she's on here, so we keep it over the hive. Looking at these individual cells in there, seeing if there's eggs. Making sure there's no gigantic queen cup or queen cell. Alright, if I find one, I will let you know. Alright, back in action. Next frame. Gonna unstick them. Just stick everything together. Good little builders. Smoke them. Alright. Is that good? You want some more? No? Okay. Not seeing much. Slipped. They do not like that. I mean, like, you'll watch videos of commercial beekeepers like in the California Central Valley, and they just like do not care. They just slam the beehives around, frickin' go, 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 move, 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 crush, crush, crush. I try to be really careful with the bees. Not only because I don't want to hurt them, but then they get all mad, you know? And I'm not too scared of the bees. You know, I have gotten stung through my suit, through my gloves. So, I just don't want to get stung. I understand they have a lot of beehives to check though. Like the almond farms, which got hit super hard this year, right when they're in blossom with bad weather. So that definitely sucks for them, sucks for beekeepers. We're a long way from that though. Pretty much all our bees pollinate the local deciduous trees, like the willow and soon to be the maple. It's just blooming out now. We've got like non-native trees here too that they're blooming right now, like acacia. That's a big one. But yeah, the weather's been pretty crappy here too, so they have not, they have not packed on much nectar from these trees. It just rains and it gets cold, and it's been great for plant growth, right? And getting all that water back in the ground and the reservoirs and the rivers, and recharging our aquifers and groundwater supplies. But hasn't been great for early blooming plants and bees. Typically these outside frames, especially this time of year, don't have much on them. You gotta work your way into the middle of the box. And again, this time of year you can just skip these outside ones, get right to it. So there's nothing going on. What we got here? Smoker. Getting the neighbor's high. See some larvae. See some capped brood. Oop, seen eggs, alright. So the eggs tell you that there is a queen alive somewhere. So she just laid those probably today. I'd love to see the queen. Neighbor's pigs are going wild. There's the queen. She's right there. See that long? There she goes, there she goes. That's a queen bee. The queen bee. She's a badass. Well, queen bee, are you guys trying to escape? So there's some bigger cells. It's probably nothing, but I am going to crush it. Holy mites. Wow. There are tons of mites on that. I'm putting her back. So that's where the mites live. They like to live in with the larvae and feed off their fattiness. Damn. Look at some mites, some varroa mite. See them little red things moving around? Those are the mites. Living on the larvae. I'm about to throw that thing in the frickin' smoker. I don't know if this is the best idea, but they need to die. Sorry, little larvae bee. It's gonna die anyways. So we definitely need to treat the bees for those mites. Definitely roasting them.